Liquid petroleum gas, LPG, is distributed across the whole of Europe. It's available at 1 in 7 petrol stations in France, in both town and country areas, and on the motorway networks. Your vehicle is equipped with Dacia Eco-G technology, meaning your engine is dual fuel and works just as well on petrol as on LPG, and has 2 separate tanks. This system makes driving both more eco-friendly, as LPG emits less CO2, and more economical, as it costs less than petrol. The 40-litre LPG tank alone gives you a range of up to 360 miles, 580 kilometers. It is located in the place of a spare wheel, so there's no reduction in boot volume. Filling up with LPG takes just 2 minutes. Be aware that the shape of LPG pump nozzles can vary between countries, so you'll need a nozzle adapter to fill up with LPG. First, apply the handbrake, stop the engine, switch off the ignition, then open the fuel flap. You'll see 2 caps, one for the petrol tank and one for LPG. Remove the LPG tank cap, take the pump nozzle and press the handle to unlock it, then place it on the mount. Hold the nozzle and then activate the lock. Now press the pump button to start the flow of fuel. The pump stops automatically when the LPG level reaches maximum. Don't try to overfill it. Unlock the nozzle and put it back on the pump. You might find a small amount of gas escapes when you withdraw the nozzle, but it will soon dissipate in the air. Replace the cap to prevent water or foreign objects getting into the tank. Remember that your vehicle starts in petrol mode, whichever fuel mode you have selected. So it's important to make sure there's always petrol in the tank. If LPG mode is engaged on starting, it will automatically go into that mode as soon as conditions allow. You just need to press the Select Fuel switch to manually change from petrol to LPG mode. Don't forget that the last fuel mode you chose remains active the next time you use your vehicle. When this green indicator is on, you are in LPG mode. Just press this button to change the fuel mode. You can change from petrol to LPG mode as long as running conditions permit. If the green indicator flashes, the system is waiting for the right conditions to go into LPG mode. It stops flashing and remains on when LPG mode is active. Press the Fuel Select switch to go into petrol mode. The indicator then goes out. Your LPG level is shown here. When the LPG tank is empty, the system automatically switches to petrol mode. Finally, in certain driving conditions, such as hard acceleration when cold, the system can decide to temporarily switch to petrol mode to get the best performance from your vehicle. The green indicator flashes to notify you. As soon as conditions allow it, the system will automatically revert to LPG mode.